These are the moments in life that you don't realize how healing they are. Growing up, life was really unstable and we moved a lot, sometimes without warning. I lost almost everything in my childhood and barely have any photos, knickknacks, or anything to show for it. As I was intentionally trying to build this apartment, I really wanted it to be a space that I felt safe, proud of, and that really reflected my goals, desires, and my interests. Years ago, I made a Pinterest board of what my dream home would look like, and I am literally building it piece by piece. This Wayfair dresser has been on my Pinterest board forever, and thanks to a Black Friday sale, I was able to purchase it. I genuinely did not realize just how beautiful this piece was going to be until I started to unbox it. I will give them so much credit. Safia really did make sure that this was the best packaging ever. The quality of this wood is next level incredible. I didn't even measure it. I just went with the vibes and hoped for the best. And as you can see, this piece is genuinely stunning. I was literally getting emotional building it because you just don't think dreams become a reality. But for me, this is just so healing to have a dresser, to have a space to put my things, and to know as long as I hustle and continue working as hard as I'm working, I won't have to lose anything and I can recreate and build my own memories and heal myself and a previous version of me as a child. I'm going to take you through building all of it, but I wanted to share this today because they have Black Friday sales going on. I'll link my storefront. You can utilize all the pieces I have or go through that storefront and find your own, but there's something so inspiring and empowering about building a space that is yours, that you get to create, that is safe, and honestly, just healing yourself as a child is something that I think there are few words to put into what that really feels like. This right here was a moment of just pure gratitude and blessing, as I did not know if this was going to fit. And when it did, I'm not kidding you when I say that this literally fit perfectly. As I slid everything back, it gives you the option to anchor it to the wall, but this is obviously an apartment. And as you can see, it literally was as if it was meant to be. Putting all my belongings in it, really getting organized, made my little OC brain just so excited. I have OCD and it really can be difficult to live with, but you can see as I keep recreating the space and reorganizing it, I just feel really proud that I was able to do this, and I'm just so grateful for this life, and I will continue to hustle because making your dreams a reality, truly there are no words. It's just so beautiful.